CrowdSec. CrowdSec is an open-source, collaborative intrusion prevention and detection system designed to enhance cybersecurity by analyzing visitor behavior and responding to various types of attacks. Here are the salient features of CrowdSec. Key features: open source and collaborative, modular framework, easy installation and maintenance, real-time monitoring and insights, API-centric architecture, advanced threat detection capabilities, support for various attack scenarios, integration with cyber threat intelligence (CTI), enhanced decision management, open source and collaborative. CrowdSec leverages a community-driven approach to cybersecurity. When a malicious IP is identified, it is blocked locally and the information is shared with all CrowdSec users, contributing to a global IP reputation database. This crowdsourced intelligence enhances real-time attack detection and preemptive blocking of known threats. Modular framework. The platform offers a variety of protection scenarios, allowing users to customize their defenses based on specific needs. Users can deploy remediation components tailored to their environments. Easy installation and maintenance. CrowdSec is designed for effortless installation across various platforms, with simplified daily operations facilitated by tools like XCLI, command line interface, and the CrowdSec Hub for updates and maintenance. Real-time monitoring and insights. The CrowdSec console provides a centralized interface for monitoring security events, metrics, and dashboards. It allows users to manage alerts, view block lists, and access detailed insights into system activities. API-centric architecture. All components of CrowdSec communicate via an HTTP API, which supports multi-machine setups and enhances integration capabilities across different systems. Advanced threat detection capabilities. CrowdSec can analyze both live and archived logs, cold logs, enabling forensic analysis and the detection of potential false positives. This feature is crucial for generating reports and understanding historical attack patterns. Support for various attack scenarios. The system can detect over 50 types of unwanted behaviors, including web scanning, port scanning, credential stuffing, and brute force attacks. This extensive coverage makes it versatile in addressing diverse security threats. Integration with cyber threat intelligence (CTI). CrowdSec includes a CTI API that allows users to query information about specific IP addresses, helping to classify threats based on their reputations. This integration aids in reducing alert fatigue by providing context around detected threats. Enhanced decision management. The latest versions of CrowdSec have introduced features like real-time decision management through a polling API, allowing users to ban malicious IPs across multiple instances from a single interface. Summary. CrowdSec is an open-source cybersecurity solution that enhances protection through community-driven intelligence and a modular architecture. It effectively mitigates cyber threats by leveraging collective data, making the internet safer for users, while offering robust detection capabilities.